Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook private. So to start, open Facebook, then click your profile in the bottom right. Then from here, scroll down and you should see settings and privacy. So click that and from the options, click settings. Then from here, scroll down to tools and resources and select privacy checkup. Now from here, select who can see what you share. Then tap on continue. Then from here, change everything to only me. For example, your birthday. So click on that. And if it is set to public, change it to only me and click on save. Then make sure everything is only me. Also, this one, current city, it is set to public. I'm gonna click see all and click only me and click on save. And do it for the others. So do the same for the others, just like so. Now, once you're done, click on next. And from here, you can also change who can see your feature post. So you can change the audience. So click on who can see your feature post. Then if it is set to public, you can go to only me and click on that and click on save. You can also limit who can see past posts. Just click on view. So you can also limit here who can see your stories. So click that and you can change it to only friends, friends except or custom. Then click on save. Once you're done in here, click on next. So review everything and make sure it is set to only me and click on next. So here you can see all of the people you've blocked. So once you block someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline. So if you want to block a person in here, just click on add to block list. Once done, click on next. You're all set. Next, go back to settings and privacy and in here, look for post, open that. So make sure it is set to only me. Also, limit who can see past posts. You can also turn off comment summaries and turn off always share posts to story. You can also click stories and change the visibility in here. You have pages, reels, avatars, etc. Thank you for watching.